A new tech war is quietly brewing in the sky, and it is shifting the Iran's perspective here. Something changed after 2025 battlefield clash between Israel and Iran. Not just missiles or drones, but the invisible system that guide them. And now global intelligence agencies are watching a silent but very powerful alliance grow between Iran and China. So let's go back to the war that lasted just 12 days but changed the military thinking forever. Now, during that intense confrontation in 2025, Iran launched waves of drones. Missiles crossed borders, electronic warfare flooded the skies. But behind the explosions, Tehran discovered a dangerous weakness: navigation failure. Yes, reports suggest Iran's weapons faced very serious disruption. Signals guiding missiles and drones were allegedly jammed, they were spoofed and confused mid flight. And in modern warfare, losing navigation is like going blindfold, right? Missiles miss target, drones lose the direction, and entire operation collapse. Now, for Iran, this was not just a battlefield problem, it was a national security shock for them. And that shock triggered a major strategic pivot. Instead of relying on systems vulnerable to Western disruption, Tehran reportedly turned towards China's rapidly expanding space and satellite network. Not publicly, though, not loudly, but strategically and quietly. Military analysts believe that Iran began integrating Chinese navigation support into its defense ecosystem. Well, the shift is not just about map or positioning here, it's about survival in electronic warfare. China's satellite navigation network offers encrypted signals, alternative tracking systems, and layered backup capabilities, all designed to keep the weapons locked onto targets even during the signal interference. But the cooperation may go far deeper than the navigation alone here. Experts suggest that China could be helping Iran with satellite-based battlefield imaging, advanced mapping of enemy movement, real-time coordination between missile unit and drone fleet. Now, in modern combat, this combination forms, well, it is called a kill chain. Find the target, track the target, strike the target. And satellites are the nerve system here controlling this particular chain. Iran is also working on expanding its own space capability. That's right, Tehran has been launching indigenous satellites, building domestic tracking networks, and improving the drone guidance systems. But compared to global superpowers, its independent fleet, it remains limited, of course. That is why external technologies partnerships suddenly became very important for them. Now, for the regional powers, this shift is deeply concerning because stronger navigation systems mean more accurate weapons, right? More accurate weapons means faster strike, more precision strike means reduced reaction time for the defense system. And in conflict zones, seconds decide the outcome here. For Israel, this technological leap, it could change the strategic balance entirely. Missiles guided with stronger satellite networks become harder to intercept. Drone swarms become more coordinated, electronic warfare becomes more complicated for them. And for the global security planners, this raises the alarm bells now. In the meantime, Washington is watching this very closely. Well, this evolving Iran-China technological partnership, it introduces a new layer of geopolitical rivalry involving the United States.